Hey guys, in this episode, we've made it all the way down to functions. So let's jump right in. I've got Clojure or Leanne cone running. As you can see, we've made it all the way down to functions. Calling a function is like giving it a hug with parentheses. So the square of 9 is 81. This cone is going to test my math, that's for sure. Multiply by 10, or my arithmetic, I should say. Looks like that passed. But they can also be defined inline. So, this function passes n and multiplies n by 5, and n is 2. So, the result will be 10. Or using an even shorter syntax. So these are anonymous functions. It looks like the hash and then parentheses will denote a anonymous function, and anywhere you see a parenthesis or a percentage sign is the passed-in values. So 15 times 4 is 60. You got it. There we go. Looks like I got it correct. Even anonymous functions can take multiple arguments, so you designate multiple arguments by adding a 1, 2, 3 after if you need multiple. So 4 plus 5 plus 6 equals 15. Save that. Looks like it ran immediately this time. Arguments can also be skipped. So just using the 2, which is the second argument. It's odd to me that it's not 0 based, but I won't complain. One function can beget another. So 4 plus 5 equals 9. Functions can also take other functions as input. So this is expecting multiples because 4 times 5 equals 20. Yep. Higher order functions can take function arguments. So give the function a hug, fn, take a function and apply a function to 5. Looks like that's correct. But they are often better written using the names of functions. So square instead of that inline function of square. So give it a hug, fn, a function, a function 5. Looks like it passed. I'm going to see if I can do anonymous function. And just go pound. See. Looks like it did not like it. Well, that's good to know. So functions you execute a function by wrapping parentheses around it, and the input of that function follows the function. You can inline functions, and inline functions have a smaller syntax by using pound. And with this syntax, you can give it multiple arguments, like %1, %2, %3 for 4, 5, 6. You can skip arguments if you want. You can pass functions into one another, and that's functions in Clojure. So watch out for my next episode on conditionals.